James, did you hear about the Artisan Fair in San Gabriel Pomona Regional Center? They're gonna have it September 30th.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Do you know what you're gonna make for the fair?
I'm thinking of soap, but I don't know what kind of soap people would like.
What if we ask a couple people what kind of soap they like, and that way you have an idea what you want to make?
Okay, let's go. Well, what kind of soap do you like and why? What kind of flavor soap? What kind of scent of soap do you like? Hi,
Oh, hey, hi.
I'm making a soap for art fair. What kind of soap do you like and why?
Wow, that's a great question. You know, I like making all kinds of soaps, and sometimes the soaps that take a long time to make, and they're kind of difficult. You got to put goggles on and everything. But I also like making soaps that are pretty simple, and you can add your own scents to them and make them smell how you like, and put the colors, and I like that too.
Cool. I think I know what kind I'm gonna make. You want to make some with me?
I'd love to.
Let's go.
Okay, cool. Come on.
All right. This is all the supplies that we need, and this is the color, the choices you can make. These are the molds to make the soap, and these are the parts that we're gonna cut the soap into pieces.
This is exciting, James. I'm excited to do this with you. So how do we get from this original product here, the soap, the hard soap, to the finished product? What's the next step?
We're gonna cut some of this, put it in here, and put it in the microwave.
Oh, wonderful.
And melt it.
A little bit more. Think that's good? That's good.
Now we're gonna microwave this. We're gonna stir it every 30 seconds. Help it keep it from making it stick.
Okay, there you go.
I'll put it like right there so I can grab it.
Close it, start again.
Okay, I'm gonna have to put it right here.
Stir that. We're gonna stir it up again.
Yep.
It looks pretty liquidy. Are there any lumps?
Nope, no lumps.
Okay, so we melted the soap.
Yep.
And what's the next step? We're gonna put some scents in there
And
to
some
give it a nice
scents
aroma.
Yep.
Okay. Lavender,
Lavender, peppermint,
peppermint. Oh, wonderful.
sweet orange.
Oh, lovely.
I'm gonna put peppermint first.
So it says how many drops of the peppermint?
3.
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
perfect. So that was the peppermint.
That was the peppermint. Sweet orange.
Sweet orange.
Maybe get it stirred up. Is 3 orange.
3 drops. All right, let's
Sweet
count them out.
1. Oop.
2,
That was 2.
3.
There.
I'll take that from you. That's going to be
I
our
gotta
last
hurry.
one. Okay.
Now we are going to do 4 lavender.
4 drops of the lavender.
Of the lavender.
Really nice.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Great.
Okay.
And I'll take that from you.
Okay. Now we are going to stir it
Are we
up.
going to stir it in there?
Yep.
Okay.
Ooh.
And stir it
Okay.
some more.
Smell that. You can smell it now.
It smells really luxuriant. Are we gonna, what do you think? Are we gonna put some color in there?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. What color would you like?
You know, the sweet orange kind of stuck with me, so I'm wondering if it's not orange, but close, maybe the yellow color? Just kind of eyeball it. Okay.
There we go. Let's see what we brought in. Oh, wow.
Oh, that looks really nice.
Neat.
Oh yeah, that's a rich yellow.
Make sure it gets really good.
Can you help out here? I'm your assistant here. We're gonna pour it in the mold.
You can do one more. That's the end of that. Here, the way it was.
I like the way that looks, James. Oh, how long should we let it sit?
I like 24 hours.
24 hours? Okay.
That's how you start it, and that's how you make them.
And then the finished product is going to look like what you were just showing us.
Yep. These are examples. So that's how you make them.
Right on. Thanks for the lesson, James.
You're welcome.